Hey, in this video, I will show you how to block adult websites on your iPhone. We are doing this to keep browsing safer, especially if kids use your phone or if you simply want fewer distractions. To do this, all you have to do, unlock your iPhone and go to your iPhone settings. Then scroll down a little and tap on screen time. Screen time is the iPhone feature that helps you control content and limit what can be accessed. If screen time is not set up yet, tap turn on screen time and follow the steps to set it up. Now create a screen time passcode and enter it twice to confirm. After that, sign into your Apple ID so you can recover the passcode if you ever forget it. When you create a screen time passcode, you are doing it so nobody can change these rules without your permission. Now go back and tap on content and privacy restrictions. This is the section that controls what kind of content is allowed on your phone. Now turn content and privacy restrictions on. Now enter the passcode you set earlier. Once you turn this on, your iPhone is ready to follow the rules you set for apps, websites, and content. Now open App Store Media, Web, and Games. After that, tap Web Content. When you open Web Content, now select Limit Adult Websites. Once you choose this, your iPhone will automatically block adult sites and it will also try to filter adult content while browsing. From now on, if someone tries to open an adult website, the phone will stop it. And that's it. If you get stuck anywhere, feel free to ask me in the comments. And if this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy iPhone tips and tricks. And thanks for watching.